playtime! Hey kids, it's playtime now. Let us play football. From the given card sheet, take out the stencil. Color it with pencil colors. Put your finger through the marked holes and play games as given here or of your own choice. Soccer. You can make your soccer field. Take a small ball and play soccer with the help of your fingers. Pick and win. Take a few small balls. With the help of your fingers, pick them and put into a bowl. Check how many you can collect in a minute.